Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. We're going to make our breakfast casserole, only this time we're going to make it with sausage. So, I figured I'm going to do it with 3 ounces because I pulled out most of the fat when I made this in the crock pot. So, 3 ounces in 3 times 6, 18. So I need to make sure this has 18. I've already sprayed it, so now I need to add 18 ounces of this sausage. I don't know how much is in here, so we're going to see. Oh, okay. It's not going to be enough for 2. Well, that's 15 ounces. So instead of 15, we're gonna do, that's fine. It's fine. It'll be fine. We're gonna put 15 ounces in the bottom. I think I got another one. Let me defrost it. Hang on. Had I looked at the lid, I am such a ninny. Ground pork, 15 ounces. All right, so 15 ounces is how much is in there. And I'm gonna get this one defrosted so we can make another one. So this, like I said, is 15 ounces, evidently. And I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm going to crack 18 eggs into here. And I'm going to get these eggs in here. And after I crack them, I will use my electric whisk. Mine is just a Hamilton Beach that I got at Walmart years ago. But it works and I like it. It does froth them up a little bit extra, but that's okay. So how is your day going? This is really the only meal prep I have because, you know, I did so much meal prep last weekend and the weekend before. So I don't have any meat to make. I don't have any special meals to make this week, like any specialty foods. My sisters are coming in town on Monday. I have to work Monday, but then I'm off work Tuesday and Wednesday. And I'll be returning to keto on Monday. So I will be doing what I usually do when family's in town. I pack my lunch just like I'm going to work. Or I pack my supper just like I'm going to work. And unless I'm comfortable with what Mom's having, I just take my own food. There's nothing wrong with taking your own food to keep yourself on track. You know, if there's, you know, they may use something that I don't necessarily want to have or something. And even though I'm not 100% keto, I'm more low carb now. But I still don't trust myself to control myself around certain things. So I just kind of have to keep myself in check the best way I can. And for me, it's taking my food, and if I eat my food, great. If Mom has something that I'm comfortable eating, then I eat what she's got. It just kind of all depends on, you know, on how I'm feeling in the moment. But I'm definitely not afraid to take my own food. My family has been seeing me take my own food for 4 years now, so they're just kind of like, okay, well, that's just Terry. I'm going to add some salt. They're just like, okay, well, Terry's a silly goose. And then some sea salt or seasoning salt. It doesn't come out very well. And I'm going to do some black pepper. And then I'm going to whisk it up. Now, I'm not doing any veggies. I'm just making this a nice carnivore breakfast that I'll be able to use no matter which way I'm eating. Whether I'm doing a carnivore reset, taste bud reset, whether I'm doing keto, it's something I can take and not have to worry about. Is this okay to have? Is it not okay to have? So now I've got this one ready, and I'm going to make one just like it. I'm not adding cheese. I'm just doing the meat and eggs. So now I'll put these in, and they take about 50 minutes, 50 to 1 hour, so 50 to 60 minutes to cook. Hey Ziggy, timer 30 minutes. At 30 minutes, I will rotate them. Actually, I rotate them this way and then rotate shelf. So in 30 minutes, I'll rotate them. Okay, it has been 30 minutes. So I'm gonna pull one, ooh, pull it out slowly so I don't spill it because it's still liquidy. I'm gonna rotate this one and move it to the top shelf. And then rotate this one and try not to drop it. And put this on the bottom shelf. Ziggy, oven timer, 30 minutes.
Oven timer, 25 minutes.
No, Ziggy, cancel oven timer. Ziggy,
Timer canceled.
Ziggy, oven timer, 30 minutes.
Oven timer, 30 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Is y'all's Alexa as sassy as mine? Does she give you as much grief as mine does? She wears me out. I just added time to my timer. Let me show you what's going on here. It's still pretty liquidy in the middle. I mean, you can just see it jiggling. So I added some more time to it. And, you know, I don't know. The sausage was kind of fatty, so it might end up being watery. Kind of like whenever I did the... I'm looking for a toothpick. Kind of like whenever I had the liquid vegetables in the, you know, whenever I had my vegetables too, when I didn't rinse them. But no, that's just pure water. And it could be grease. Anyway, I'm going to let it go longer. And I'm going to let it go 10 more minutes, then we'll see what we got. Seems to be set up a little better. It's still liquidy, but when you poke it, it comes out good. So I think that that's just the liquid from the fat from the, yeah, I think that's just the fat from the pork. So I'm just going to let it soak and cool down, and I'll hit you up when it's done. Okay, so I used my... Oh, I already put it away. I used this thing. I don't know what the technical name is, but I used it and I cut it in half and then cut it in thirds. So now I take my little baggie, I turn it wrong side out to pick it up. And there we go. That is my breakfast casserole for this upcoming week. It's sausage and eggs. And I've let it cool down, and so now I'm just gonna bag him up, and yeah, I'll take this to work every day, and this will be what I eat. Sometimes I eat it cold. What I do is I keep 4 in the refrigerator. When I eat one, I pull one out of the refrigerator, or out of the, I keep 4 in the refrigerator and the rest of them in the freezer. So then whenever I eat one out of the refrigerator, I pull one from the freezer and put it in the refrigerator. And it's part of that 4 rotation. So then by the time I'm doing, by the time I get to that one, it's been 4 days that it's been defrosting. They get a little bit crystallized, you know, from the freezer, but it's okay with me. But that's how I do my breakfast casserole and how I keep my breakfast on track every day. Let's see what it tastes like. Yeah. Gonna be good. Just a breakfast casserole. And so this is carnivore style, so there's no veggies on it. And there we go. So now I'm gonna put this one up. And that is what I do for my breakfast casserole.